In cases where consumers encounter persistent issues with their vehicles covered under the California Lemon Law, arbitration serves as an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Here's an overview of California Lemon Law Arbitration and its role in resolving disputes. 1. Definition and purpose of arbitration. Arbitration is a process where disputes between consumers and manufacturers are resolved outside of court. The primary goal of arbitration is to provide a quicker, less formal, and potentially less costly means of resolving lemon law disputes. 2. Mandatory arbitration clauses and warranties. Many vehicle warranties include mandatory arbitration clauses, requiring consumers to pursue arbitration before resorting to litigation. These clauses often specify the arbitration process, including the selection of arbitrators and the rules governing the proceedings. 3. Arbitration procedures. Arbitration proceedings typically involve presenting evidence and arguments to a neutral arbitrator or panel. The arbitrator's decision is binding on both parties, meaning that they must abide by the outcome of the arbitration. 4. Advantages of arbitration. Arbitration can be faster and less formal than traditional litigation, leading to quicker resolution of disputes. It may also be less costly for both parties compared to going to court, as arbitration fees are generally lower than legal fees. 5. Limitations of arbitration. Consumers should be aware that arbitration decisions are final and may not be appealed except in limited circumstances. There may be concerns about bias or lack of transparency in the arbitration process, as arbitrators are typically chosen and compensated by the manufacturer. 6. Seeking legal counsel. Consumers considering arbitration should seek legal advice to understand their rights and options fully. An experienced lemon law attorney can provide guidance throughout the arbitration process and advocate for the consumer's interests. California Lemon Law Arbitration offers consumers an alternative means of resolving disputes with vehicle manufacturers outside of court. While it can be faster and less expensive than litigation, consumers should carefully consider the advantages and limitations of arbitration and seek legal counsel to navigate the process effectively. Ultimately, arbitration serves as a valuable tool for ensuring fair and efficient resolution of lemon law disputes in California. If you have a lemon, please call Julian McMillan at McMillan Law Group at 619-795-9416. That's 619-795-9416 for your free case evaluation.